Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the website. So this is the page of the website. So when we click on the right side, you can see there is an ad. After you click the ad, you can choose the theme whatever you want to in order to create your own website. So let's do it. As see, you can decide whatever you want, the feature or anything you want to add. So this is about the website. After that, we click save. So yeah, that's the website that I create. And also we can check the website relationship about the inventory. So we can click the shop here. When people buy in the product, so they check your website and looking for the product. Then they may add to the shop. Just for example, they want to buy this chair, and then let's do the checkout. After checkout, after people check out, and then they pay for it. After they pay for it, and then this order will send it to the owner, website owner, and then they can create the order for the customer, and then when someone is buying a product, the inventory also will be automated. So the inventory will be changed. So that's how it works. Thank you.